I probably sweat already a gallon of water.
Sweating like crazy. I'm so tired.
It's like 100 degrees.
I wanna be all the happy days you gave me.
Hey guys,
No.
we're on day 2 of camp and we are filling up our water bottles so that we're ready for 2 things: kayaking, which will be awesome, and number 2, we're going to the banyas, which is a dry trail, but it's by water and there's a ton of shade, so I'm not really worried.
I'm locked to the bus.
Alright, so it looks like we're on our way to the waterfalls of the banyas. Alright, that was the biggest waterfall here.
Yeah, it was amazing.
It's so pretty here. I'm the shade.
There she is.
Are you filming me?
There's Maya.
Oh. Well, we take some good pictures because my camera's not working.
The famous Maya Resnick. In her natural habitat. Do not enter the water. Look, it's a pool. Don't go in. Whoa. Dagim. Abichai gets picked for literally everything here. What'd you do?
You didn't listen? Hey guys, we just finished one of the hardest and most sweatiest trails. I think the whole thing. There's no bed in our bus.
The bus! It must be here. We're finally on the bus. Kayaking Kfar Blum. There's a SpongeBob walking around and it's kind of scaring me. Nice. Alright, Abichai. Go! Go, Abichi!
Keep doing it! Keep doing it!
Okay? Okay.
No, here is Ramakat. Adi! Adi! No! Adi! Adi! No! 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 Adi! Adi!
I'm Mook! I'm Mook! We're in the Jordan River. No! But we're in the Jordan River.
That's the stupidest thing ever.
We will miss you forever. God.
This was like one of the best days ever, guys.
Help.
So fun.
The weirdest feeling ever.
It's awesome.
This is so cool. I can see it. Wow.
Let me get a picture of you.
That's Celestina. Oh, that is the weirdest feeling.
Right?
It's like, it's live on me.
Oh, really? I thought it was dead.
It's so heavy though.
I'll bring the head. Hold the head.
Oh.
She likes it.
Kiss him.
She likes it. She likes it.